nothing coming, but God, the tourists are mad.
Just standing on the fucking road.
Fuck me.
With a pinion. What is it, something? Holy shit,
Take
my
people
friend.
anyway. What's nuts as well is sections like this, I still probably wouldn't overtake anyone because I don't.
I couldn't. This feels very wrong. This feels
So wrong.
pretend it's motorway. Oh,
I think he was letting you go. Or maybe he had the same feeling we did. I don't like this.
I was looking on a Nürburgring or something.
Oh God. So do the
That was scary with the biker.
yeah. This time there were no trams going up Snayfell.
It's like I've just driven my ears. I've just driven onto a racetrack.
Yeah. I was gonna.
Who the fucking speed that bastard? Who is that? Is that the Merc?
Yeah, I think so.
Shit.
I think this is what worries me as well. People overtaking and then the cone starting and then not knowing the cone starting.
Don't give me last minute, guys. Don't give me last minute, guys. Shit, you're gonna try and give me last minute. Fuck, mate. Like, fucking hell. I was better inherit a Porsche. In a biblical way.
In your arse.
Yeah.
That will be more fun and less terrifying as the week progresses. Oh no, wait a minute. We'll get more used to it, but it'll be heavier traffic.
God.